On this channel, we use simple English, A1. We want our stories to be easy for everyone. Our goal is to help you think in English. We will publish new stories every day. Stay with us and let's learn together. John lived in a small, quiet village. His family was not rich. His parents worked very hard on a farm from morning until night. They worked to buy food for the family. They were always tired. Their life was difficult, but they worked every day. They had a simple life. They did not have much money. Their life was hard. But in this house, a big dream was born. Every week, the postman brought newspapers to their house. One evening, John found a colorful magazine about cars. He sat by the window and looked at the pages. Suddenly, he stopped. He saw a beautiful sports car. This car was not just a machine, it was a symbol of a new life, a life with money and freedom. The car was beautiful. It was very good. For John, this car was a big dream. At that moment, John was very excited. He looked at the page again and again. Then he said, "One day, I will have this car." From that day, John had a goal. It was not just a dream, it was a plan. He knew one thing: life is not easy for a poor boy. Nobody will give him success. Nobody will give him a future. If he wants something, he must work for it. John started to work hard. Other children played. John studied books. He studied for a long time. He worked more than everyone. It was not easy for him, but he had a big goal, and he did not stop. Whenever it was difficult, John remembered the magazine page. He remembered his dream. Many years passed. He finished school with very good grades. He left his small village and went to a big city. Everything was new and unknown. There, he went to university to study computer programming. He believed one thing: knowledge is a ticket to a new life. The way was not easy. John needed money for his life in the city. He found a job in a small shop. He moved big boxes every day. In the morning, he was at the university. He studied, wrote programs, and prepared for exams. But in the evening, he worked very hard. He moved boxes and unloaded trucks. He worked until he was very, very tired. Sometimes he was very, very tired. He wanted to stop. He thought, "This is too difficult." But in those moments, he said, "Don't stop. You started this way to win, not to quit." Years of hard work and sleepless nights passed. Finally, things changed. After university, John got a job in a big IT company. Then he got a promotion, then another one. He was better every day. He worked more than other people. He learned faster than other people. Step by step, he became successful. He had a good career and a good life. He became the man of his dreams. One day, the moment came. John went to a big, modern car shop. he saw many amazing cars. They were better, faster, and more beautiful than the car in the old magazine. The world changed. Technology was new. John understood. I am not that poor boy anymore. I worked hard. I deserve this. He chose a car. It was better than his old dream. It was faster and very expensive. John sat in the driver's seat. He started the engine. He felt very happy and excited. He smiled and thought, before it was only a dream. Now it is my reality. That evening, he drove to his small village in his new car. People looked at him. His parents stood near the house. They smiled with love. It was a great moment for the family. They were very proud of their son. His father came to him and gave him a big hug. He said quietly, "You did the impossible, my son." John looked at the house where his life started. He answered, "No, I just never stopped believing in my dream." In that moment, he understood a very important thing. It is not important where you are born. It is not important how much money you have. The start can be very difficult. That is okay. If you work hard, if you never stop, if you fall and stand up again, one day you will have the life of your dreams. Subscribe to our channel to enjoy new stories and learn English with us every day. Like this video if you love story. Write a comment and tell us what you think. We want to hear from you. See you soon. Bye-bye.